Let's see typical Japanese family. So enjoy it. Good morning, Wakana. Good morning, brother.
And good morning, sister. Good morning.
ラジオ体操第一。手を前から上に上げて大きく背伸びの運動。はい。1、2、3、4、5、6。手足の運動。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、1、2、3、4。手を回します。
It is broadcast music on public radio every early in the morning like this. Radio Taiso is still used at schools and some companies as a way of building moral or sense of community, as well as to raise energy levels and encourage good health.
怖いな。いただきます。
In Japan, people start eating meal with saying "itadakimasu." This phrase is to give thanks to all people involved in producing and preparing the food.
ありがとう。美味しいこのご飯。
美味しい。
Oh, it's delicious, yeah. Delicious.
Okay, I will explain Japanese breakfast. The one is Japanese style. Now you can see on the screen. The one in Japanese style. We put many kinds of dishes on a table. For example, rice, miso soup, grilled fish, and some picked vegetables. Speaking of typical Japanese breakfast, you will think of this kind of style. One more. But in fact, Western style of breakfast is also popular. For those who are rushed to school or work in the morning, Western food has gained popularity after World War II.
Oops. Oh, is this mousse? Can we eat this?
No!
Of course not. Just kidding. I'm full.
ごちそうさまでした。
Now we can hear ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした is the phrase to express appreciation after the meal, like we said いただきます before.
Oh, it's time. Has to go. I'm going to.
Have a good day, Father.
ネクストストップイズ渋谷。
The rush hour in Japan is from 7 to 9, and the train gets very, very crowded during the time. As its culture, Japanese people are very keen on their behavior at public places. So when you are on the train, you are required to be quiet and try not to bother people around you. Let's see the examples.
It's too many people.
So crowded.
I'll take a nap. Wow, that's very dangerous. Running into the train. Please don't do that, yeah? I'm so tired. Okay, I'm reading newspaper. The boy is reading a newspaper in the very bad manner.
This is my space.
You should consider other person when you do something in the public places. Yeah, be compact. I see. What? Oh, the boy starts to listen to music. Wow, it's too loud. The volume was too loud, and the further is bothered. Excuse me? Excuse me? Can you turn down the volume, please? Yeah, please? Please? Can you go away, please? Yeah, please.
Oh my god!
Okay, finally I can sleep. In Japan, it is considered as bad manner to listen to music very loudly, so be careful.
Is this song?
Her class seems to finish.
I'm so tired and hungry. Oops, today it's our turn to serve school lunches. Let's go! In Japan, it's common to have school lunches all together with classmates. Students who are on duty go get and prepare the lunches for everyone. From the aspect of good hygiene, students wear white robes.
Yeah, like this.
Yes, and a mask when they serve the meal.
It's like doctor, isn't it?
Yes. And some students, especially boys, often ask more fruits.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Is Santa ready? Itadakimasu.